Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Talha Parkar, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a PowerPoint presentation directly from a Word document by converting the Word document into an outline. So I have some information in front of me that I've copied from Wikipedia. This is about penguins. So I've got the introduction, the etymology, and the anatomy and physiology. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my View tab up here, which is between the Review and the Developer tab, and then I'm going to go to my Outline button over here. And once I am in the outline button, what I can do is I will have to select the headings that I want to be shown as my slide headings in the PowerPoint. So I'm going to select this particular heading and I'm going to make it level 1. I'm going to select etymology and make it level 1, and I'm going to select anatomy and make it level 1. The rest, as you can see, are at level 2. If they're not at level 2, you can select them and put them at level 2. So that's how that works. So now what you'll see in the PowerPoint is this will be one slide. This particular part will be one slide, wherein introduction will be the heading and the remaining part will be the bullet points within this slide, the content and the slide. Similarly with etymology and anatomy. So now I'll close this outline view, I'll save this, and I'll close this, and I'll open the PowerPoint. I'll open blank presentation. I'll come to my new slide. Let me just close design ideas. I'll come to my new slide and click on the down arrow, and at the bottom here you can see that there is an option called slides from outline. Once you click on that, you can come back to your, let me just find out where it is, where I've saved it. Okay, found it. So here I have the outline doc, and as you can see here, you can only see the docs that you've saved as outlines. So I'll click on insert, and as you can see, like I told you, my introduction came as the heading of the slide and the remaining points came as the content of the slide, because introduction was level 1, etymology was level 1, and anatomy was level 1. So similarly, if you have a level 3, so that would come as a sub point to this bullet point. So that would be something like this, wherein so this would be level 3, and then simultaneously level 4, and then level 5, etc. So this is how you create a PowerPoint presentation from a Word document that you've converted into an outline, that you've created an outline of. So this is something new that I learned, and I thought I should share it with everyone. So thank you. I hope you learned something new. I hope this proves useful to you in some or the other way, and stay tuned for more content on the channel on Power BI, Tableau, Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you.